So, the reason I didn't make a video yesterday was because I thought I had, and I went to bed, and I woke up the next morning, and I was like, oh, I didn't actually make a video yesterday. I just thought about it, and then I was like, I don't care. And so, I don't know. Maybe one day I'll make 2, and I'll have all 31 videos. Or maybe I just won't care. Because I actually don't care that much. I have the hiccups. I'm walking down the street to go back to school because I was at spa up here. And then I had to go to Highland right after school to finish taking a stupid test about the Lord of the Flies. And then now I'm walking back because I missed the bus. It's great. I'm going to switch hands because my arm is tired. So now you get this lovely view of this really green grass. This is that's a good solid good grass. It's really soft too. Like, put your feet in it. It feels nice on your feet. I don't know if that was pointed at my feet or not, but nope. Sometimes you hiccup and then you get a burp. And it just happens. But anything else I need to say? I don't think so. I don't think there's anything else that I could say about my life. TTFN.